Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at how to install an outdoor light. What we're going to do is we're going to extend an outlet, we're going to do some piping, we're going to install a box outside, and then install the light on the corner of the house to be able to illuminate the driveway. So it takes a little bit of time, about 2.5 hours, but it's doable. It could be done by one person. You don't need two people. If you have a helper, that's great. If you don't, you can do it by yourself. You don't need an extra hand. So you'll see the tools that I'm using. You need a bender, you need a sawzall to cut the pipe, you need that piece that you can extend to be able to put the pipe inside the outlet, and obviously the ladder. So let's go. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do today. We are gonna install a light right over there, and then we're gonna run a conduit from this outlet right here, go down, up, and then we're gonna put the light right there. So this is the process. We have to extend this box right here, and there's an extension that you can buy, at least in US, that you attach to the existing box, and then it's got knockouts on the bottom right here. So the pipe's going to connect into here. It's going to go down left. We're going to have to trim this piece of wood right here, go up, turn up, and put the light right there. So this is the process. I installed this extension. Basically it's two screws right there, one there, one there, and the new outlet's gonna, the old outlet's gonna connect into this box right here. So all right, let's continue. I'm gonna have to make this U right here going down and up, and I'm gonna measure this. Hopefully it's gonna come up right. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm not an expert in piping. I can do something, not much. Every electrician should have this tool, the best. I'm gonna strap the conduit down, 1/2-inch straps. This is how the conduit attaches to the box. There's this connector. It goes onto the pipe. We don't need that. And this connector screws into the bottom of the box. Just like this. There's another connector from conduit to conduit. Just like that. Here's a wire, solid number 14 in the US. I'm gonna try to push it from top to bottom. I don't know if it's gonna work. We have 15 feet. That'd be 5 meters. Let's see if we can get this down. And the cable came in. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do white to white, black to black, copper to copper. Install the light up there. And we're good to go. So we're gonna install the GFI back in its place, and then the light is running. And that's about it. Conduit up to the light, and the wire inside. The outlet is back in place, the light is working, the conduit is done. I think that the key component on this installation is this extension right here, where it allows you to plug in a conduit. Yep, this is it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, notification bell, leave me a comment if you want to see any other projects in the future. See you next time. Bye.